Let's be real for a second. How many times have you sat at your desk staring at your screen, completely overwhelmed by everything you need to do? Emails piling up, reports waiting to be written, tasks that should take minutes somehow stretching into hours. It's exhausting, right? And the worst part, it never seems to end. Let's think this. You sit down to work, and before you even lift a finger, half your to-do list is already done. Your emails? Drafted. That complicated report? Organized. Data? Analyzed and presented in a way that actually makes sense. Sounds unreal, doesn't it? But here's the thing, it's already happening. Right now, there are people using Microsoft Copilot to do in minutes what used to take them hours, and the craziest part? Most people have no idea how powerful this actually is. See, this isn't just some AI tool that writes emails or summarizes text. This is the difference between working harder and working smarter. And I get it. Maybe you're thinking, okay, but do I really need this? Let me ask you something. Are you okay with being left behind while others move faster, achieve more, and free up their time? Because that's exactly what's happening. The truth is, AI isn't the future anymore, it's the present. So if you're ready to see how Microsoft Copilot can completely change the way you work and how to actually use it to your advantage, stick around. Because by the end of this video, you won't just know about Copilot, you'll know how to make it work for you. Think about it. How many hours of your life have you lost to work that doesn't even feel like work? The endless emails, the never-ending reports, the tiny, mind-numbing tasks that pile up day after day. It's not just frustrating, it's draining. And deep down, we all know it. This is not what we were meant to spend our time on. That's exactly what Microsoft realized too. They saw the same problem, but instead of accepting it, they asked a bigger question. What if technology could take over the busy work, so people could focus on what actually matters? And that's where the story of Copilot really begins. It wasn't built overnight. It started with a radical idea inside Microsoft's research labs. Can AI think, plan, and execute like a real assistant? Not just an automation tool, but something that understands the flow of work, predicts what you need, and acts like a second brain. For years, Microsoft had been perfecting AI inside tools like Word, Excel, and Outlook. But something was missing, a true integration of intelligence across everything. That's when they made the big move, partnering with OpenAI to supercharge Copilot with GPT-powered intelligence. Not just smarter spell check or autofill, but an actual thinking assistant. The execution? Massive. Microsoft didn't just add AI to their tools, they re-engineered how we work. The goal was clear. Make Copilot feel so seamless that you don't even realize you're using AI. It learns from your workflow, understands context, and delivers results before you even ask. And that's why this video matters. Because if you think Microsoft Copilot is just another AI tool, you're already thinking too small. This isn't just about working faster, it's about working differently. And in the next few minutes, you'll see exactly how. Let's cut through the noise. Microsoft Copilot isn't just a tool, it's a shift in power, a shift that puts you in control, not the chaos of work. Think about it. How much of your time is actually spent doing what matters? Not the real thinking, strategizing, or creating, but the endless formatting, rewriting, organizing, the things that drain your energy without moving you forward. What if your computer understood you like a trusted assistant? What if, instead of reacting to commands, it anticipated your next move? That's the level Microsoft aimed for with Copilot. Not just AI inside software, but AI that works like a partner. Here's the reality. Microsoft didn't build this overnight. Copilot is the result of years of research, a massive AI investment, and a vision to redefine work itself. The planning was meticulous. How do you make AI that doesn't interrupt but enhances? That doesn't just generate, but refines? That doesn't feel like a tool, but a thought process extended beyond your own? The execution? Bold. Microsoft embedded Copilot into the very DNA of its ecosystem, not as an extra feature, but as a built-in intelligence layer across Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams, and beyond. It's not separate from your work, it becomes part of it. But here's what nobody is talking about, the dark side of Microsoft Copilot. Because let's be real, every groundbreaking technology comes with a price. And Copilot? It's no exception. Think about it. When was the last time you actually remembered a phone number? Or did mental math instead of reaching for a calculator? That's what happens when technology becomes too good. It replaces thinking with convenience. And now, Copilot is doing the same thing, but with your skills. At first, it feels like a superpower. Reports write themselves, emails draft in seconds, insights appear without effort. But over time, you stop thinking the way you used to. Creativity, critical analysis, the ability to build something from scratch, they start fading. Because why struggle when Copilot does it for you? Then there's the privacy problem. Microsoft says Copilot is secure, but think about what it actually does. It learns from your work, your data, your habits, your decisions. If that information is stored, processed, and refined, who really owns your thoughts? And what happens when AI starts shaping not just your work, but your choices? And let's not ignore the job displacement question. Copilot isn't replacing workers outright yet, but it's changing the value of certain skills. If AI can draft, analyze, and summarize better than most people, who becomes unnecessary? This isn't fear-mongering, it's reality. Technology doesn't ask for permission, it advances. And those who don't adapt, they get left behind. So what's the takeaway? Copilot is a tool, not a replacement for your brain. Use it to enhance your skills, not erase them. Stay sharp, stay aware, and most importantly, stay in control. Because AI isn't just changing work, it's changing you. The only question is, are you shaping the future, or is it shaping you? Should you use Microsoft Copilot? The answer isn't that simple. Let's cut through the hype. Should you use Microsoft Copilot? The answer isn't just yes or no, because this isn't just another software update. It's a choice that could reshape how you work, think, and even compete in your industry. The FOMO is real, but so are the risks. Right now, businesses, entrepreneurs, and professionals are racing to integrate Copilot. Why? Because the ones who master AI early gain an unfair advantage. They automate faster, make decisions quicker, and eliminate busy work before others even realize it's possible. But let's flip the script. What happens when everyone has access to the same AI? If Copilot makes writing, analyzing, and organizing effortless, does your work still stand out? Or does it just become another AI-generated output lost in a sea of sameness? Copilot won't make you smarter. It will expose you. Here's the harsh truth. AI doesn't replace people. It replaces people who don't know how to use AI. If you rely on Copilot blindly, you're not getting ahead, you're making yourself replaceable. Your real advantage isn't using Copilot, it's knowing when to use it and when to think for yourself. So should you use it? Yes, but strategically. Copilot is not a crutch, it's a tool. Use it to eliminate grunt work, but don't let it do the thinking for you. Leverage it to go faster, but never let it take over your judgment. Because at the end of the day, Copilot isn't here to make you unstoppable. It's here to test if you're ready for the future. And the ones who win aren't just the ones who use AI, they're the ones who know how to stay ahead of it. What makes Microsoft Copilot stand out, and why it's not just another AI tool? Let's be honest, AI assistants are everywhere. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, you name it. So why is Microsoft Copilot different? Why are entire businesses restructuring their workflows around it? What's the edge? 1. It's not just AI, it's built into your workflow. Most AI tools feel like an add-on. You open a separate app, copy-paste data, and then manually bring it back into your work. Copilot? It lives inside the Microsoft ecosystem. Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams. Copilot isn't just integrated, it's embedded. You're not switching between tools. AI is inside your work, right where you need it. 2. It doesn't just generate, it understands context. Other AI tools give generic responses. Microsoft Copilot understands your workflow. If you're in Excel, it doesn't just throw numbers at you. It analyzes trends, predicts outcomes, and suggests smarter ways to present data. In Word, it doesn't just summarize. It refines based on your past documents, your writing style, and the project's intent. It's AI that adapts to you, not the other way around. Number 3, it's enterprise-grade AI, and that's a big deal. Here's something most people don't think about. Data security. Tools like ChatGPT process your queries in the cloud, which means your sensitive business information is at risk. Microsoft Copilot operates within Microsoft's secure environment designed for professionals, businesses, and industries that can't afford leaks. That's why major corporations trust Copilot over standalone AI tools. It's not just about convenience, it's about control. 4. It works in real-time collaboration. Ever tried brainstorming with ChatGPT? You ask a question, get a response, tweak it, and repeat the cycle. Copilot changes that. In Microsoft Teams, it listens to meetings, summarizes key points, and even suggests follow-ups, live in real time. It's not just an assistant. It's a second brain working alongside your team. And 5. It's not just for typing. It's a decision-making tool. Copilot isn't just about drafting emails or creating presentations. It can analyze complex reports, predict trends, and even help with decision-making. It's designed to make you smarter, not just faster. So does Copilot make other AI tools obsolete? Not exactly. Standalone AI tools still have their place, but if you're inside the Microsoft ecosystem, nothing matches the seamless, real-time, and secure experience of Copilot. It's not just another AI, it's AI that works with you, inside your workflow. And in a world where speed, precision, and intelligence define success, having Copilot is like working with an unfair advantage. The question is, will you use it, or compete against those who do? What's next for Microsoft Copilot? Copilot isn't just evolving, it's rewiring how AI and humans work together. The upcoming advancements? Game-changing. Proactive AI. No more waiting for commands. Copilot will anticipate needs, summarizing tasks, drafting emails, and analyzing reports before you ask. Industry-smart AI. Copilot will learn sector-specific knowledge, making it a true expert in fields like finance, healthcare, and law. Multimodal AI. Speak ideas, upload images, or record meetings. Copilot will process text, voice, and visuals to automate workflows. Beyond Microsoft, third-party integrations, Notion, Trello, Salesforce, will turn Copilot into the central AI brain of your workflow. Adaptive learning. Copilot won't just follow commands, it will learn your preferences, refining itself to work exactly how you do. The question is no longer if AI will transform your workflow, but how fast you'll adapt. Will you embrace this change or get left behind while others move ahead? Subscribe to Innovate Matrix for the latest AI breakthroughs, tech insights, and strategies that keep you at the top.